C14 is 59 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Big movements in Avinger stock price on Wednesday, moving 20.45% between high and low. Updated on December 23, 2020, by candidates since the 22nd of December 2020 gained 13.66% PDF. The Avinger stock price gained 13.66% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 23rd of December 2020, rising from 30 cents to 35 cents, and has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 20.45% from a day low at 32 cents to a day high of 39 cents. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 13.48% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 12 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.19 million. The stock has broken the very wide and horizontal trend up. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately 34 cents is considered to be a second chance to hit a potential runner. It is, however, important that volume does follow the price, as false breaks may appear and it may move back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach 45 cents sometime during the next 3 months. Signals and forecast. The Avinger stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 30 cents and 29 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, December 18, 2020, and so far it has risen 19.47%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk and stop loss. Avinger finds support from accumulated volume at 34 cents, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. 34 cents, 35 cents. This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 7 cents between high and low, or 20.45%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.10%. Our recommended stop loss, 33 cents, minus 3.82%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 3 days ago. Is Avinger stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken the horizontal trend up, which indicates an even stronger rate of rising. We conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Avinger stock to perform well in the short-term period. Current score, 4.825. Predicted opening price for Avinger of Thursday, December 24, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 24, 2020 current price $0.35 Aegis is very positive to AVGR and gave it a buy rating on September 16, 2020. The price target was set to $1.40, $1.